Hello there traders, today is Friday, April 3rd, 2009. It's about 11:05 a.m. Central Time. Sorry I haven't gotten to you guys for a little while. I've been trading. I haven't had any great trades lately, so I've been holding off on making a video, but I figured it's been a while, so I might as well make one even if I don't have anything great going on. Taking a look at this Apple here. You guys can see it hit this 116 level here. We're kind of out in no man's land. There's no let me pull up the daily for you. There's no other times that we have been even close to this level lately. You can see right here. Let me drag this over a little more. There we go. You guys can see this bar right here, and the high of it is 116.40. So I was actually anticipating us to go through 116 and actually make it somewhat close to that level before we pulled back a little, but that didn't happen. Let me pull over for you guys a trade that I was just in. Alright, you guys can see here, I got in this Apple at 10:59 for 116 even, and I got out 116 even. I'm going to pull down a 1 minute chart just to give you guys an idea of what we had going on. Basically, I got in, we broke through it this first time, and we got up to about 108, or I'm sorry, 08, and then we pulled back, and we were holding this 92 level real well. Basically, I got in the second time we broke through right here on this green bar, and I got in at 116 even. We went as high as, I believe it was 116.14 before we pulled back to that even level. And basically what I saw once we got back to that even level was I was watching my level 2 screen, and we had a huge bid showing up at that 116 even level, and that bid was getting taken real slowly. And once that bid got fully once there were about, I'd say, 300 or 400 shares left out of the original, I think it was a 15,000 share bid. That's when I knew that we were going to bounce back through that level, and it'd be kind of like a spring effect where we'd sell off a little bit. So that's when I looked to get out of my position. So I got out flat. So can't complain about that. I didn't make money, although I was up briefly, but I also didn't lose money on that trade. Another thing that was worth noting for you guys, just to give you guys an idea, is while I was in that trade, you guys can see right here, the market was absolutely ripping upward. And during that same time period, Apple was sitting right at that 116 level. So that tells me that that's kind of a stubborn level that we might not want to challenge today on a Friday with lower volume. As you guys can see right here, the market's pulling back slightly, and Apple is actually still holding the same level. So it might end up being kind of a slow, boring day for trading on a Friday here. I'm going to put you guys on pause though, and I will resume hopefully as soon as I find a trade that I want to enter. Alright guys, sorry I didn't hit record in time. I just got on this Amazon here, and basically what I was looking at is we tested this 77 level once, we came back at it again, and I got in right on the break of 77. My open price was 77.01. Let me take a look here. I'm looking to get out if we make it up to 20. We're kind of stalling up here, and the market's slowing up a bit as well. Alright guys, you know what, I'm going to close out of this position real quick here. Open price 77.01, close price was 77.14, so I am up slightly for the day. Put you guys back on pause, and we'll see if I can get you guys anything else. Alright guys, just to give you an idea what I'm looking for here, I'm looking to get short this Apple on the break of 50. Let's see if we can do it here. We keep kind of bouncing off that level right now. And my reasoning for looking for a short here as opposed to a long, there, I missed it. Let's see if we can get one more bounce up there. Okay, I'm in. Got filled at 47, it looks like. I'm just looking for a real quick scalp here. I'm going to put you guys on pause. Alright guys, this is one reason I don't really like Fridays. The market's going substantially lower, and this stock is staying at 50. So if we break about 55.60, I'm going to look to get out for a small loser on this stock. I'm going to hold on a second though and see if I can let it work for me. The market is pulling back substantially right now. Alright guys, I just got stopped out of that trade at 60. We just poked our head above that, so it's kind of one of the reasons I don't really like trading on Fridays. They get to be really sloppy. I'm basically flat for the day right now, so I think I'm actually going to call it a day. I really dislike Fridays. This kind of sloppy action is not something I like to trade during. Things really don't follow through too much. As you guys can see, we're kind of just sitting here. There's not much trading even going on, so after the market pulled back so much, I was really expecting the stock to pull back with it as well, but as you guys can see, that didn't happen. So not to say it's not going to happen still, but the break of that 60 was my time to get out, so I got out of this trade. Thanks for checking us out, guys. I'm going to try and get you guys some more videos on a day other than Friday when we have some better action here, but today's been a kind of sloppy day, so I'm going to call it a day. Thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy.